Today we're changing the cabin air filter on a 2024 Nissan Rogue. Before we get started, don't forget to grab a new cabin air filter and a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean from dust and dirt. First, pop open the glove box and look to the back. That's where the AC housing is. On each side of the cover, you'll see little tabs. Just pull them out to pop the cover off. Now you will see there's the old cabin filter. Check the airflow direction before you take it out. Pull out the old filter. Wow, this one's filthy. Slide the new filter in. Snap the cover back on and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Want the same OEM quality filter? Get it now at FreshenOPT.ca. Link in description.